Welcome to our channel. Creating engaging travel videos requires planning and creativity. Step 1. Plan your content before traveling by researching your destination and identifying interesting shots. Step 2. Film a variety of content, including establishing shots, close-ups, and action sequences. Step 3. Capture authentic moments rather than just posed shots. Step 4. Record natural sound to add atmosphere to your video. Step 5. Shoot more footage than you think you need to provide editing options later. Step 6. Use stabilization techniques like gimbals or your body to reduce shake. Step 7. Tell a story with your video rather than just showing random clips. Step 8. Add engaging music that matches the mood of your destination. Step 9. Keep videos concise, typically between 3 and 7 minutes for maximum engagement. Step 10. Include text overlays with location names and key information. Step 11. Create an attention-grabbing thumbnail and title. Step 12. Share your video across multiple platforms and engage with viewers in comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.